Hello kids, welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of shapes. Did you know there are 2D shapes and 3D shapes? Let's find out what they are and how they're different. Let's get started. Let's begin with 3D shapes. These are also called three-dimensional shapes because they have length, width, and height. That means they are solid shapes that take up space. Here are some examples of 3D shapes. A cylinder looks like a can of soda. A cube looks like a dice. A rectangular prism is like a box. A sphere is like a ball. A pyramid is like the Egyptian pyramids. And a cone looks like an ice cream cone. Now let's talk about 2D shapes, also called two-dimensional shapes. They are flat shapes with only 2 dimensions, length and width. Here are some common 2D shapes. A circle is round, like a pizza. A triangle has 3 sides, like a slice of pie. A rectangle has 4 sides, just like your notebook. There are also polygons like pentagons, hexagons, and octagons with 5, 6, and 8 sides. So the next time you see shapes, you can tell if they are flat or solid. That's all for today's lesson on 2D and 3D shapes. Look around you and try spotting these shapes in real life. You'll be amazed by how many you can find. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.